Most people think designer furniture costs thousands of dollars. But the truth is, what makes a piece look expensive has very little to do with cost, and everything to do with design choices, proportions, and finishing details. In this video, you'll discover 45 budget wood crafts that look like high-end designer pieces. These are projects you can build with affordable materials, simple tools, and smart techniques that dramatically raise the perceived value. Whether you're building for your own home, selling online, or running a small woodworking business, these ideas focus on one goal: making inexpensive wood look intentional, modern, and let's start with the most important principle behind expensive-looking wood crafts. Clean lines always beat complexity. Designer pieces rarely rely on ornate details. They use simple shapes, balanced proportions, and negative space to create impact. One of the easiest budget projects that looks high-end is a minimalist wooden bench. Straight legs, square edges, and a thick top instantly give a modern designer feel when finished properly. Floating shelves are another perfect example. When brackets are hidden and edges are crisp, even basic lumber looks custom-made. Wall-mounted wood decor pieces look expensive because they combine function and aesthetics. A simple wood rail system or modular wall organizer can resemble gallery-level design with the right finish. Small side tables are one of the best budget-to-profit wood crafts. Using tapered legs, thin profiles, and a smooth top creates a high-end look without expensive materials. Designer-style trays are another underrated project. Flat panels with subtle edge details and clean joinery look far more expensive than they are. Nightstands with open storage feel modern and intentional. Keeping designs lightweight instead of bulky instantly raises the perceived value. One reason designer furniture looks expensive is consistency. Matching wood tones, uniform spacing, and symmetrical layouts make even cheap wood feel intentional. Wood slat projects are extremely popular in designer interiors. Slatted benches, wall panels, and room dividers look premium while using simple cuts. Another budget-friendly designer-style craft is a wooden plant stand. Clean geometry and vertical lines elevate the look far beyond the cost. Finishing matters more than materials. Smooth sanding, even staining, and matte finishes are hallmarks of high-end design. Console tables with slim profiles feel modern and upscale. Avoid thick, bulky designs and focus on balance. Wood wall hooks and coat racks can look designer-made when spacing and alignment are precise. One of the fastest ways to cheapen a project is cluttered design. Designer pieces leave room to breathe. Modern wooden stools with simple forms sell well because they feel versatile and timeless. Hidden fasteners are a key detail. Visible screws often make a project look unfinished. Designer shelves often use repetition. Repeating the same element creates rhythm and visual order. A simple wooden desk with clean edges and a neutral finish looks far more expensive than ornate alternatives. Low-profile storage units feel contemporary and upscale, especially when raised slightly off. Wood picture ledges are budget-friendly and very popular in modern interiors. Using contrast carefully makes designs pop. Light wood against dark accents, or vice versa, adds depth. Round edges soften projects and make them feel intentional instead of rough. Designer wood crafts often rely on proportion. Thin legs paired with thicker tops create balance. Wall-mounted desks and fold-down tables are functional and feel custom-built. Simple wood headboards can look luxury level when proportions are right. Wood coffee tables with open bases feel lighter and more expensive than solid blocks. Consistency in joinery style improves the overall look. Designer pieces rarely mix too many styles. Stick to one design language per project. A clean workshop leads to cleaner builds. Precision improves perceived value. Wood magazine racks with simple geometry feel modern and upscale. Minimal wood shelving systems are popular in small apartments and sell well. Avoid overfinishing. Matte or satin finishes often look more premium than glossy ones. Symmetry creates calm and balance in design. Using templates improves consistency across multiple builds. Designer wood crafts often prioritize function first. Simple wooden wall art using geometric patterns can look gallery-worthy. Floating night shelves are trending in modern interiors. Slim benches for entryways are easy to build and highly sellable. Wood storage boxes with clean joinery feel intentional and refined. Designer pieces age well because they avoid trends that fade quickly. Focus on durability. Solid construction supports long-term value. Using fewer fasteners improves aesthetics. Simple wood racks for kitchens or bathrooms feel custom-made. Repetition and alignment create professionalism. Designer crafts feel planned, not rushed. The final secret is restraint. Stop adding details when a piece already works. When you combine budget materials with thoughtful design, clean execution, and intentional finishes, you don't just save money. You create pieces that feel premium. That's how inexpensive wood becomes designer-level craftsmanship.